Today, we are talking about that final separation. What happens in that final separation before union? I want to talk about it from what happens to divine masculine, what happens to divine feminine. First of all, divine feminine, in that final separation, you are now fully embodying that priestess frequency, the divine feminine frequency. You are fully in inner union. There is no questioning. There is no questioning at the level of the mind, am I in inner union? You know that you are in inner union because it vibrates at a soul level. You are also fully in service, i.e. you are fully aligning with soul purpose. Every single day, you shine your light out. You're here to make a difference in the world. Remember, divine feminine, this journey didn't happen by mistake. This wasn't, possibly I'm on a journey. You were called because of the energy and the frequency that you hold. We are now awakening, or should I say it has already awoken, and remembering and fully embodying those Christ conscious codes on the earth's frequency. We are now on the biggest awakening that we have ever gone through. And the doors are now opening. And let me tell you, the frequency and the energy that we are moving into in 2026 and 2027 is a whole different energy and frequency. And you already embody those codes, those Christ conscious codes. Divine feminine, once you shift in that final separation, there is no shifting you out of an alignment. You are serving, you are in your soul purpose. Often it is talked about, I need to find my soul purpose. Your soul purpose is not found like a lost penny in a washing machine. It is you. It is about you fully embodying your purpose at the deepest soul level. It is not something you find. It is already within you and it awakens. Once it awakens, then you fully embody it. Once this happens, divine feminine is no longer trusting the journey. She is the journey. She is the flame. She is the inferno. And she knows that she is now walking on this beautiful path. But she's not walking in a raging energy way. She is walking with grace. She is walking with peace. She realizes that her nervous system is always in that beautiful, peaceful energy. And if it becomes deregulated, then it is something for you to look at, to expand and grow from. But her highest currency is always the peace and the love that is found in the heart. When she fully embodies this, she is now aligned with that 144 frequency. We often hear about the 144,000, don't we? And it is often painted as it's a collection of people. It is not. It is the frequency and the energy that is now here on earth that is an alignment of the enlightenment path. Once the divine feminine is now embodying that 144th frequency, she is solid, she is in divine, she is in the cosmic codes of the priestess frequency. There is no budging out of that. She knows grace, she knows sovereignty, she knows that peace and that portal to the heart. In that energy, that is what causes the eruption of an instant awakening and a samadhi in the divine masculine. The divine masculine, yes, they go through an unfolding, but not the same as the divine feminine. I really want to stress here that the journey is walked slightly different for the divine feminine, the divine masculine. Once that activation is fully embodied, it allows divine masculine to instantly unfold. And the veil is then dropped, the energetic wall is then dropped, and the union comes in. And it comes in an energetic frequency. Once it is there in the energetic frequency, it can then be embodied in the 3D. If you need more help and support on your journey, whether it's understanding the A to Z of the twin flame journey, how to shift through it, how to fully embody that inner union, to start to move in the energy and the frequency, then my twin flame course is there. If you're ready for next level, and you're like, I want to align with my soul purpose. I know that my mission is here to do far bigger than what I'm doing now. And I need that, I want that freedom and abundance. And I know it's calling to me. It's not a need. It's not a want. It's a soul calling. And it's something that you cannot ignore. You can try and ignore, but it calls to you because you have awoken onto your path. I have beautiful courses that help and support you, whether it is learning how to work with energy and frequency and fully embody that beautiful divine feminine frequency, or learning how to align with your soul purpose and create that beautiful abundance in your life, then my website is there. It is full of everything that is to do with this journey to help and support you, to help you shift so you can really come in to that place of love, peace, and full enlightenment. I send you from my heart to your heart much love. Have a beautiful, blessed day.